For 8 to 9 years old novice Kata boys, please prepare Villanueva Chris, Kabutbut Bon, Peña Marcos, Gonzalez Zay,
Ardina Samantha Claire.
Mashad Matthew, Miranda Hart, Yam Artson, Ibnu Alquiret, Cortez John Marie, Epuerto John, Kirong Miguel, and Gaspay Erwin. Please proceed to Tatame 1.
Next bout, Lianco Aire and Turingan Isabel. Lianco Aire,
Morena, Brutas, Sobrella, Cardenas, please proceed to awarding area.
winner Batayola Nia, Change Bell Torres.
67 years old. Intermediate Kata girls.
Lianco Aire, next bout. Turingan Isabel. Only coach, Batayola Nia, Change Bell Torres.
Morena Zanshan, Brutas Francesca, Sobrella Christy, Cardenas Scarlett, please proceed to awarding area.
Turingan Isabel. Wise
Category 67 years old novice Kata girls. Sumubay Kala Ares. Angarbo Atalia.
Wise Daniel. Wise Daniel from BCMAC. Wise Daniel Sherelle. Standby next bout. Paloma Maria. Paloma Maria Pina. Bluebell.
Winner Ardina Samantha Claire. Next bout 67 years old novice Kata girls. Sumubay Kala Ares Isla. Angarbo Atalia Sandra.
Gold, Alcantara Kyrie, Silver, Ochia Hector, Bronze, Isagan Travis, and Priolo Charlotte, please proceed to awarding area.
Kuntao coach. Please proceed to Tatame 2.
For the next category, 8 to 9 years old novice Kata boys, Villanueva Chris. Villanueva Chris, please raise your hand.
Lianco Ire. Please change your bell to blue. Lianco, change your bell to blue.
Last call, Mendoza, Zyler, Agipo, Mainit Marata, Arabane Zaina, and Cuesta Aileen. Please proceed to Tatame 2.
Kabutbut Bon. Villanueva, please raise your hand. Red belt. Villanueva red. Kabutbut Bon. Okay.
Winners, Mumbai Kala Alas Isla.
Gonzalez Zain, please raise your hand. Gonzalez Zain.
Next bout,
Again, Gonzalez Zain, please raise your hand. Gonzalez Zain. Marcias Matthew.
Agipo Reyna. 8 to 9 years old, UP Kata girls. Mendoza, Kyle Zyra, and Agipo Reyna. Manit Marita, Arabane Zaina, and Cuesta Aileen. Please proceed to Tatame 2.
Marcias Matthew, please raise your hand. Tatame 1. Marcias Matthew. Okay. Gonzalez Zain, please raise
8 to 9 years old, newbie Kata Boys. Please proceed to Tatami 3. 8 to 9 years old, newbie Kata Boys. Please proceed to
Next
Tatami
bout, Agipo Almanes. Agipo.
Next bout, Gonzalez Zane versus Marshall Matthew. Please prepare. Yam Artson. Yam Artson, please raise your hand. Again, Yam Artson. Yam Artson.
Agipo Reina versus Manu Marita from Visitos. Pacquiao advances to the semifinal round. Change your belt to blue. Pacquiao, change your belt to blue. Arabani, Zainab, and Cuesta Aileen. You're after this match. Please prepare 8 to 9 years old intermediate kata girls. Tam Suzanne Don, Balogdog Shilin, Fernandez Nader, Alci Biga, and Robin Ania.
Next bout, Yam Artson. Please raise your hand. Yam Artson. Next bout, Yam Artson versus Ibnu Al-Quraif.
Again, 8 to 9 years old, newbie kata boys. Tim Shmuel, Akanso SJ,
Ibnu, please raise your hand.
Kulwati,
Okay.
Kulwati Azar, Lumalay Kasey, Branyanola Riley, Lacambria Liam, Noho Zet, Manulat Xavier Bates, please proceed to Tatami. Aka, Agipo Reina. Please step on the mat now, Arabani, Zainab, and Cuesta Aileen.
Ipuerto John, please raise your hand. Okay, next bout. Hero Miguel. Okay, next bout.
Batayola Niyang winner advances to the final round. You are still in the red side. Again, 8 to 9 years old intermediate kata girls, please proceed to Tatami Una. 8 to 9 years old intermediate kata girls, please proceed to Tatami 2. Tam Suzanne Don, Balogdog Shilin, Fernandez Heather, Alci Biagala, and Robin Ania. Please proceed to Tatami Una.
Next bout, Puerto John versus Hero Miguel. Please prepare Kabutbut Bon and Peña Marcos. Peña Marcos, please raise your hand.
Coaches of 8 to 9 years old newbie Kata Boys, please assist your players and proceed to Tatami 3. Parents are not allowed inside the Tatami area. Please step outside. Parents are not allowed inside the Tatami area. Please step outside. Tim Shmuel, Tim, Akanto SJ, Kulwati Azar, Ruben Kasey, Cuesta Aileen. One minute rest for Cuesta Aileen. Please prepare for the final match. Agipo Reina and Cuesta Aileen. Paloma Maria advances to the finals. Please change your belt to blue. 8 to 9 years old intermediate kata girls, please proceed to Tatami Una. Tam Suzanne Don, Balogdog Shilin, Fernandez Heather, Alci Biagala, Robin Ania Christine.
Next bout, Kabutbut Bon, Aka versus Peña Marcos. Pakailan, Peña Marcos, please raise your hand. Peña Marcos. First call, Peña Marcos. Second call, Peña Marcos Bon from ASKS JKS Cebu.
8 to 9 years old newbie Kata Boys, please raise your hand. Tim Shmuel. Next bout.
awarding area.
Last call, the local sharing of JPS and Alex Villaros and Robin.
Next bout, Gonzalez Zane Aka versus Miranda Hart Au. Miranda Hart, please raise your hand.
Last call, Robin Amelia Christie.
And Gonzalez Zane.
Gold, Paloma Maria. Silver, Batayola Mia.
Coaches, please proceed to the coach. Tatami 2.
Bronze, Pacquiao Tiffany and Lianco Irene. 8 to 9 years old, Tata Boys. Tim Shmuel.
8 to 9 years old, intermediate Tata girls, first round. Tan, Suzanne Don, and the local sharing.
Attention to all coaches. Attention to those coaches who requested for corrections. Please approach me now. Thank you. Once again, coaches requesting corrections. Please approach me now. Thank you.
Please prepare Yam Artson Aka versus Cortez John Marie Au. Yam Artson, please raise your hand.
10 to 11 years old, Kobe Tata girls, please prepare Tatami 2. Joloco Scarlett, Albarcen Margaret, Haya Jenny Rose, Sabang Lara, Lanton Marguerite, and Veles Jara, Tatami 2.
Tim Shmuel, please proceed to the mats. First call, Akanto SJ from Dojo 1. Second call, Akanto SJ from Dojo 1.
Next bout, Yam Artson
Tim
versus
Shmuel, red belt.
Cortez John Marie.
Red belt. Change of